You see, now this was a conference. This 2 days was a conference. Conference means that all the political parties, civil societies from different walks of Afghanistan, including Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, they were here in Doha in this conference. Everybody was expressing their own views on their own capacities, different issues regarding peace in Afghanistan. So this was exchange of views. So, but we are committed that when the last agreement signed with Americans for the withdrawal of the troops and the timetable is given and international guarantors are witnessing all these things, that the final signature and all these things. After that, we will go to the inter-Afghan dialogue, which all these internal issues which are related to Afghan people, that will be discussed there.
This was the first inter-Afghan dialogue in which Afghans from all walks of life were participating, including the government. There were cabinet ministers in the room in the past 2 days. So I think this was, for us, it was a great news that the Taliban agreed to a considerable reduction of violence, meaning no attacks on schools, on hospitals, clinics, on public institutions. And I believe that that's a very important step forward in order to achieve a lasting peace. But let's not forget, we are in the beginning of the process. It requires formal negotiations.
I think as a beginning point, as a starting point, it was very positive. Personally, I had not that much expectation to be agreed on certain major points in this statement. For example, we agreed on the common ground, such as like having a peaceful country, to stop violence, to reduce the level of tension, and to protect schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, public spaces. About women's rights, women political, social rights were taken in consideration. The rights of minority was taken in consideration. I think it was beginning and it was very good and positive beginning.
ما شرکت کنندگان برای دستیابی به صلح به نکات آتی توافق داریم. 1. تمام اشتراک کنندگان اتفاق کامل دارند که تحقق صلح پایدار، سراسری و با عزت که خواست تمام مردم افغانستان می باشد، در نتیجه مذاکرات همشمول افغانی ممکن و میسر است.